Hey guys, Ed here. Welcome back. A little bit different of a video, guys. I want to introduce you to a couple of kits that I've been sitting on. I don't think I've introduced them yet on my channel. I got two kits that I have I'm going to show you. The first one I am going to show you, I think, is going to be my next project after I finish my Hemet build, okay? We're a little over halfway through with the Hemet build. We should have that completed probably. I don't think we have maybe a month left on that build, guys, and then we're going to be done with that, okay? And I think this is what I'm going to go to next, guys. And the reason I am in this room here, not my normal modeling room, guys, is because these projects I'm going to show you are too big to fit in the camera in my room, if that makes any sense. So I need a little bit of space to show you these projects, okay? The first one is a trumpeter kit, and this is the one I'm probably going to do right after my Hemet build, guys. It's the King Tiger, and it is a huge kit. And we'll do an official unboxing when we go to start this build, okay? So hopefully you can get that in there. Yeah, it's a huge kit. I have not opened this box yet. And like I said, we'll wait for the unboxing and then we'll do that together and we can all take a look at the same time what's inside this box. So this is going to be my next project as soon as we're done with the Hemet. Watch for this on the bench probably in about a month or so, okay? And then my next kit I want to show you. This one I bought before my Tiger, and it's my project that I'm going to do as soon as I get my retirement in. Okay, I'm about another year and a half from retirement, and once I get, that's going to be my project for the bench for my retirement project. Okay, I still have photo etch and stuff. Ponto's kit I want to get for this, and there is a couple of builders out there already building this kit. It is a fairly new kit from Trumpeter, and it is the 1/200 scale of the German Scharnhorst battleship. And this is going to be my project for when I go into retirement, okay? It's another big project, and it's going to be, several month build on this one here, if not longer. And like I said, I'm still building up the items for this build here. I want to get a Pontos kit, but that's 300-400 bucks, and right now I don't have it. But I'm not retiring for another year and a half, so maybe within that year and a half I can get that. I do have a book on the Scharnhorst with plenty of pictures, and I'll show you that when we start this build. And again, we'll do an official unboxing of this once we start to build it. But that'll be a couple of years down the road for this one. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to share with you guys what a couple of these nice kits that I'm sitting on, and kind of give you a heads up and kind of introduce them so you'll know what's be coming up on the channel. And we're going to do a lot of smaller stuff in between. It's not always going to be huge, big projects like this. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So the Scharnhorst, we're going to tackle that on my retirement, right after my retirement. And then the Tiger tank, we're going to do that right after the Hemet build. So, all right, guys, that's all I wanted to do. Everybody have a great week. Thanks for popping in. And, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.